That's all right, bud. Test her out. You want to test out the 250? Here's your chance.
All right, Ricky, driving the bike.
All right, just don't go too crazy, eh?
No, I'm just driving it.
Check the tire pressure with a wheelie.
I will.
And then
you have brake?
Barely.
You have to really push it?
I replaced it, so it's because it's a 200 ES cable.
It's stretched.
It's too long. The 200 ES is a little bit longer than the 200 SX.
Yeah, we gotta put
250.
like a 10 mil in between it, a long socket with a washer and it works so good.
I need to figure it out, but man,
it's so easy. I did it with my bike.
If you press the brake, press it right now. Press it. No, press the brake and it shoots that one. Yeah.
So it's there a little bit.
Yeah. So it works in a catwalk. You can slam it and it'll bring you down, but you don't really have that control brake.
Don't worry, I'm gonna respect your bike. He's not gonna like that one. Sorry, Andrew.
Hit the share button, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's go!